man, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's happening? What's happening? Really, what's happening? Tonight I went to the Raptors 905 alumni game to get the Pascal Siakam bobblehead. And I was looking forward to seeing Siakam. Brought my nephew with me for the first time. He's going to a Raptors 905 game. And Siakam was a no-show. And I knew that it had to be something why he wasn't there. I said, it must be this coronavirus thing. I said, all right, you know what? I hear that the NBA is putting, a crackdown on having kids on the floor during the national anthem. They're not having that anymore. Doing stuff with fans or anything like that. So I'm like, okay, makes sense. After the game now, turn on my phone and I see the NBA has suspended the season. Why? Because there's a player on Utah Jazz that has COVID-19, coronavirus. I'm like, what? NBA season suspended. And because a player has coronavirus. Utah Jazz. The Raptors just played Utah Jazz on Monday, okay? Monday. Monday. What does that mean? I hope and I think it means that Raptors are in quarantine. And not only Raptors, but other players on other teams. Because guess what? This guy just got sick. And I believe he was playing the Raptors on Monday. He's playing with Utah on Monday. Just got diagnosed today because he wasn't feeling well. You know how colds come on you so quick. It could be one day you're feeling fine, next day it's like, So that's probably what happened. So he probably contracted it 2 weeks ago because they say symptoms don't show up until about 9 to 14 days later. How many teams did he play? 2 weeks ago. Okay, for sure not All-Star weekend. And maybe he wasn't there during the All-Star weekend. He probably went traveling during that time. And that's probably how he contracted it. Okay. All right. So he's playing all these teams. And those teams are playing other teams. Oh my God, every damn NBA player needs to be quarantined right now. They need to be quarantined. Them and their friggin' family need to be quarantined. That's how you get a hold of this. Everybody need to separate from everybody. This is absolutely ridiculous. Listen. When you hear what kills corona, what state things have to be in order for corona to survive, okay? You just start to think people are either inconsiderate or just plain friggin' nasty. Washing your hands. Why? Why do you have to be repeatedly told to wash your hands? I was at the game today and they had a campaign. Grant Hill talking in the campaign, talking about washing your hands and being sanitary and washing down the things that you have and showing the things that you should wipe down that you may not think that's dirty. Why do you have to be told to wash your flipping hands? Why do you have to be told to not take your dirty hands and put it on your face? So why do you have to be told? Why would you want to put dirty hands on your face? Why wouldn't you want to use the back of your hand to do certain things? I don't do this. If I touch up things, I don't do this. I normally do this. And if I need to touch my face for something, I'm going to go wash my hands. I'm not using hand sanitizer when I can wash my hands. Hand sanitizer is not a replacement for soap and water. Okay? It's not a replacement. It's not. Use soap and water. Soap that suds up, Wash your hands for a good 20 seconds. Sing happy birthday. Sing a little chorus. By the time the chorus is done, you can rinse off your hands. And don't tell me nothing about, oh, my hands are dry after I wash my hands too long. You rather your hands them be moisturized and you get sick than your hands dry and you stay healthy? And then if you're sick, stay the hell home. Put on a flipping mask. Stay away from people. If you have to cough, cover your damn mouth. How about you cough into something? And if you cover your damn mouth and you cough into your hand, then sanitize it right then and there, and then go find a bathroom and use soap and damn water if you wash it. I'm sick and tired of this, and now it's affecting my Raptors? Are you kidding me? We're on a roll. And I'm not trying to be funny. I'm just like, we're on a roll. Come on. This season is threatened because of COVID-19, because people are either nasty or inconsiderate. That's what it is. You know that you were somewhere, you traveled. You were traveling somewhere. And instead of you keep your hands to yourself, okay? Instead of you wear a friggin' mask or tell people, you know what, I traveled somewhere. Or keep your hands to yourself. Wash your friggin' hand. Then stay away from people if you're sick. No go to work when you're sick. Nobody cough out. Nobody sneeze. And no cover your mouth and make the breeze or the sneeze just go all over the damn place. Oh no, stop the foolishness now. It's ridiculous. What's wrong with you? This thing is not even, it's exposing a lot of stuff because they say, oh, it's a different strand, and that's why this pandemic and this epidemic is going on, and these scientists have done this and they're testing stuff and whatever. But you know what it's exposing? The inconsiderate behavior and the non-hygienic behavior of human beings. Oh no, nasty. You are nasty. I'm not going to say all people that contracted this thing are nasty, because you could have contracted it not knowing. You could have done it not knowing. But it can be killed. It can be killed by Lysol wipes. It can be killed by simple disinfectant like peroxide and mixing that with vinegar. Use it as a spray to kill things. Wash your hands, soap and water. These are things that can help. But no, now an entire basketball league is affected now. Not infected. Get me right. Affected. Because now that this man is infected with COVID-19, it's affecting the league. Now, if the NBA does not quarantine the teams, guess what's going to happen? It's going to spread even more. If you know, say, this player has COVID-19 coronavirus, then the common sense thing would be to quarantine every last player in the flipping NBA so that it does not spread. Their player, the staff, and their families, unfortunately, because poor babies them get kiss up from their fathers. Wife get kiss up. After the man that you sweat up, run up and down with sweat up, and breathe upon you when he's talking to you and he's all this, you know, spit is gonna fly all the air and it's airborne. Somebody on the Raptors have it, Lord Jesus. I pray not. But how could they not? Some other player has it. How could they not? I pray not. I pray for the divine healing of God that it no happen. And if it do, that they get healed quickly and recover from it. But they have to quarantine every player in the family in order to keep this at bay. That's common sense to me. That's common sense. Y'all thought, because what they wanted to do in the beginning was not have the fans in the stands. They just want to have the players and the staff. And ironically, today. The Warriors were the first team to do that. They didn't have any fans in the stands. But guess what? Ironically, this is when they decide to cancel the game because they thought it was going to be a fan that would give a player corona or something like that. But no, it was your own. It was your own. Raptors are defending champs right now, and the season is affected. And well, Raptors are just gonna have to be the 2019-2020 season champions again. That's it. That's what's gonna have to happen. You can't say there was no champions. No. They're gonna be the champions. That's it. Defending champions are the champions. That's what it is. Because they were having a great season. Y'all, please. And you can call me selfish all you want, and I just care about my Raptors. Yes, I do. Yes, I do, because this is carelessness. You're going in the store and hand sanitizer is sold out, but not soap. Hand sanitizer is sold out, but not soap? Huh? And I'm talking big bottles of hand sanitizer, not travel size that you could just, have with you if you have no means of going to wash your hands with soap and water. No, I'm talking about big bottles. Why are you carrying big bottles around? No, it means that they probably have it in their house. To use hand sanitizer at your house. Everyone's telling you use soap and water, use soap and damn water if you wash your hand. That is the best way. Why are people so defiant? And then you who are sick, stay your ass home. You who are sick, don't go to big functions just because you want to go party or you bought the ticket already, but you really want to go. Stay your ass home. Stay your ass home. You don't know who has an ailment already. And when you give them COVID-19, it makes it worse and they may pass. I'm so flipping upset right now on so many levels. This thing is so ridiculous and doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be. Y'all are so nasty or inconsiderate. Oh my God. Man.